You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Alright guys, this is what arrived at my house. 3 boxes. Box number 1, right there. That's the grill. Box number 2 says grill accessories. And box number 3 is up in the house upstairs. And that says wood pellets. So we're going to open this up right now and see what they sent us. So while she's cutting everything open, I will tell you about what I know about this. First thing I heard about this is it cooks by AI. So my brother's like, yeah, everybody's putting the word AI attached to anything technology. So I'll let you know if it's just good tech or if it's truly AI. But it's supposed to, like, you tell it what you're cooking and it takes it all the way through and then tells you when it's done. But my temp stick kind of does that. So we'll see. There could be a lot more to this that I haven't seen yet. So I'm kind of excited. It's called Brisk-It. And we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so we pulled out a lot of styrofoam. Seems to be well packed. We got a black metal panel there. But from what I'm told, this works off wood pellets, just like a wood pellet grill. And has a hopper and everything. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like one whole big unit. There's a LED screen, the lid. There's probably minor pieces to attach to the grill, like the bottom, the legs, the handle, that kind of stuff. But looks like it all comes in one box, kind of pretty much put together. Yeah, okay, so grill accessories means like the shelving, the heat protector, and the grates, that kind of stuff, the knobs. It doesn't mean like a spatula, that's the drip pan that tips and collects everything. We've seen so many, Tammy has helped me put together so many of these that we know what they are already before they even come out of the box. So everything was pretty much all put together. We just got to pop the legs and the wheels on. That's all they're doing right now. The bottom section, and this baby is pretty much done. We'll have the picture for you in a moment. So Tammy and Jack Jr. told me that they kind of designed this in such a way that you can't put the legs in the wrong side. The number of holes match the leg holes. They've done a great design and almost a brainless installation. You put the legs at the bottom, look how long the shelf is. It's bigger as soon as you put the bottom on it. It's heavier, it's bigger. This thing is ginormous. Alright guys, so we just plugged in the unit. It's really nice. I can ignite it from my phone. I have 2 probes. It's gonna be an easy cook. This is supposed to have AI. I'm gonna try it out. Basically, it knows when to wrap. It knows if it's been wrapped. It can detect whether you have wrap on your meat. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna heat it up for about 30 minutes to burn in or burn off any warehouse, oil and stuff. And then we'll be ready to cook. So there it is outside. I'm running the whole thing from inside the house. This is probably the only one that I can turn on and start the fire, start it smoking and all that. We're going to let that run up to the 400s and burn for about a half an hour. Okay, guys, so it has been at like 400 degrees for plenty of time. So we burned off all the factory oils and all the crap that comes with coming out of the warehouse. I think it's ready. It smells good. Nothing's on it yet. So we're going to grab the meat. I think we're going to grab the meat right now. We're going to load it up. I'll show you what it looks like. Everything's been pre-seasoned last night. So let's go fill it up. So we're going to probe both ribs or what? How do you want to do it?
No, we'll do the ribs, a steak, and a butt.
Yes. Ribs, steak, and a butt. Tammy's so impressive. She's so good to me. I knew that already. We had talked about it a few minutes ago. But, and we're marinating some beef ribs in there, but that's not a part of this video. Those are with my mom's teriyaki sauce. So these are the short ribs my mom used to make. We're making
Why
this
are
for
you
dinner.
showing that? That was not
Good.
good for you.
Well, I just thought I'd share. They like to know these things.
No.
Look how beautiful this is all looking. She's already got a pulled pork in there, see? She put another pulled pork in. Smells great. She's already pre-seasoned. She's already scored it. We're just stuffing it full of meat. By the way, you notice the fat's on top because the fat always goes on top. If anybody tells you fat on bottom, they don't know what they're talking about. I have shirts. If you're a fat on bottom guy or you're a fat on top guy. Me personally, you know, mine's on top always. 3 chuck roasts, 2 racks of rib, 2 pulled porks. Fill it up Friday. That's what it's all about. The Brisk-It Smart Smoker has taken off. There's a touch screen there. I mean, a screen there to work with. I don't know if it's touch screen. I guess Tammy. She's been working the screen, but honestly, it's a touchless screen because you can run the whole device from the smart app. So anyway, it tells you when your meat needs to be wrapped. It tells you when it's unwrapped. It cooks it all the way. So we're gonna cook all of our stuff to 165, then bring the ribs in, and then we're going to put butter and barbecue and wrap the ribs. Hey Hope, come here girl. You're just dying for us to drop some meat, huh? That's a good girl. By the way, you guys once again complain about things. You complain about the harness always being on her. If we take that harness off and put on the dresser in our bedroom, which we did because we washed it, okay, she pulled it off and brought it to us. Literally, it's like a security blanket for her. Have no idea why. All right, guys, we just wrapped one thing of ribs. So basically, lay down cubes of butter, slices, and sauce, and then you lay the ribs on top of that. Then you wrap them back up in foil when they're 165, okay? Just like you wrap ribs anyway at 165. And then you're gonna cook it to 200. And that butter's gonna melt, and that sauce is gonna get good. It's gonna be amazing. Alright guys, those ribs smoked perfect, like they're like amazing. They're falling apart, the bones coming right out. The smoker did that. I did none of this. Tammy, the smoker. But I just but I mean, look at the bones over there. The bones are sticking out like crazy. Can you see that? Let's get that on focus. There we go. Alright, this smoker. Brisk-It, you've done a great job. There isn't one feature that you're missing. Your app's amazing. Your cook's amazing. Your pellets are amazing. The design's amazing. Auto start's amazing. Auto shut-off's amazing. I could go on, but I'm not going to. We have the link down below. This is one of my top smokers.